In this video, we will use this GMR Fantom radar to show you how to increase the echo intensity on CR1522. Radar wave decreases when it travels through air, but we can increase the echo intensity by increasing the wavelength or pulse duration. The target size feature and pulse expansion feature are designed for this. These two features are similar, so in this video, we will only show you how to use target size on a Fantom radar. To adjust target size, press Menu. Echo Tuning. Target size. Then, let's compare larger and smaller. The radar is here, and this group of buildings is the target. Its range and relative bearing are about 1 kilometer and 340 degrees. Now, let's see the radar chart. You can find the target here on the radar chart. Then, let's adjust the target size. In larger, it is showed as a big red dot. You can identify it fast and easily. And in smaller, you can see more details and distinguish the buildings. When using a small target size, distant targets may not be displayed. Using a large target size will make it easier to read the chart. In contrast, it is not recommended using a large target size when your targets are in close range. Using a small target size to avoid overlapping. And that's it. Although we demonstrate how to use the features on land, the concepts are the same on water. Thanks for watching.